how to deny Facebook access to photos. So all you have to do, let's say you've actually allowed it already from the beginning and now you want to actually deny Facebook to have an access on your photos. So all you have to do is to go directly to your settings here. Now on your settings, what I want you to do is to find your Facebook application. Now just find your Facebook application here. Now it will look like this. Now, the next thing that you want to do is, as you can see here, we have the list of Facebook that can access your information. So I have actually allowed Facebook to have an access on my location, on my photos, my microphone, camera, and basically that's it. And then the next thing that I want you to do, since you want to actually deny Facebook from having an access on your photos, is to of course go to your photos here. And as you can see here, under photos, I have actually allowed Facebook to have an access to all my photos. So if you just want to give Facebook selected photos, then tap on there. Now, since we want to deny and never give Facebook any access to our photos, then of course tap on none. And basically, you have now successfully denied Facebook to have an access on your photos, and that is all for today. If it doesn't work, make sure to go to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you use, and then just tap on and search there for Facebook application and make sure that you have updated your Facebook application. And basically, that is all for today. If this video helped you, give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.